Classification of matter. Around us, we have substances that made up matter. Matter has mass and occupies some space. Different kind of substance are made up of different matter. Matter can be classified in many ways. The two basic classifications of matter are based on its physical and chemical properties. Now, let's look at the physical classification of matter. The physical classification of matter shows physical appearance that describes the shape, hardness, softness, melting, and boiling points. Based on these characteristics, matter is divided into three groups or three states: the solid state, the liquid state, and the gas state. The solid state. The particles in solid are closely packed together by strong interparticle attraction. This makes solid rigid and geometrical, and also it gives them definite shape and definite volume. Example of solids includes rock, chair, table, and so on. For liquid, the particles in liquid are loosely packed and are bound to each other with forces weaker than those of solids. This gives them definite volume but not a definite shape. Instead, they take the shape of the container they are being placed into. Example of liquid includes water, alcohol, oil, and etc. And the last one we have here is gas. The particles in gas are separated by much greater distance. The operating forces of attraction are non-existent in gases, resulting in loosely packed particles who are free to move in any direction. They possess no definite shape and no definite volume. Example of gas include carbon dioxide, oxygen, and so on. The next classification of matter we have here is the chemical classification of matter. The chemical classification of matter shows the ability of matter to change its composition to form new substance. Based on its broad chemical composition, matter is classified as elements, compounds, and mixture. What are elements? Elements are the simplest form of matter that cannot be split into simple substance. There are over 110 elements known, out of which 92 are naturally occurring while the rest are prepared artificially. Elements are classified into metal, non-metal, and metallo. Examples of elements include carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, helium, and so on. The next one we have here is compound. Compounds are pure substance made up of two or more elements which can be split by chemical means. Examples of compounds include carbon dioxide, water, sodium chloride, which is NaCl, and so on. The last one here is mixture. Mixture is a combination of two or more elements or compounds in a way that the components do not lose their identity. And for mixture, there are two types of mixture. We have the homogeneous mixture, we have the heterogeneous mixture. The homogeneous mixture is referred to as uniform mixture, while the heterogeneous is not a uniform mixture. So example of mixture include soil, oil and water being mixed, and so on. So guys, please subscribe to this channel, share, and also comment so that I can know which video you want me to post next. Thanks for watching.